Hey there, Christy Renaud, Norwex Independent Consultant, and I am going to show you how you can clean your stovetop with the Norwex cleaning paste. And I'm going to show you using two different sponge options that we have because they both do a really great job. So we have here the Norwex Enviro sponge and the Norwex Sperry sponge. Now the Enviro sponge has, as you can see, a scrubby side on one side, and then the other side is our Enviro cloth material. So it's a soft microfiber and it has the backlock microsilver agent in it. So this is going to be kind of like your one-stop shop for cleaning your stovetop. Now the other option that we have is this sponge right here, which is the Sperry sponge, and it, as you can see, is scrubby on both sides, but it is not abrasive. Neither one of these is going to be an abrasive scrubber, so they're both going to be safe if you have a glass top stove. Okay, here we are in front of my very dirty stove. I have my Enviro sponge and my Sperry sponge, both of which I have already wet, and my cleaning paste. So I am going to start with the Enviro sponge. So I'm just gonna wipe it in my cleaning paste a couple of times, and here we go. You'll notice that when you add the wet sponge, it turns from a hard chalky consistency into the paste that allows it to do such a good job. And all of the burnt on stuff is pretty easily coming off. I like to scrub in circular motion. And then once you've got all of the burnt on stuff off, for the Enviro sponge, you're just gonna flip it over and wipe it away. Now, we'll start with the Sperry sponge for the other spot we've got up there. Now with this one, because both sides are the scratchy side, you're gonna need another cloth to wipe away all of the water and stuff when you're done. So I just recommend whatever you're currently using in your kitchen that day. If it's your kitchen cloth or your Enviro cloth or whatever you're using, you'll just use that. So I've got my kitchen cloth here today because that's what I've been using in my kitchen. Missed a little spot, so we'll go right back. And there we go. There you have it. That is how easy it is to clean your stovetop with the Norwex cleaning paste. Now, one of the things I really love about our cleaning paste is that it is actually a really versatile item. So not only can you use it on your stovetop, but it's also great for polishing up your kitchen sink when it starts looking grungy. It's great for cutting through soap scum buildup in the bathtub. And it also even will remove permanent marker from a lot of the surfaces in your home. So it's a great versatile cleaner. I call it elbow grease in a jar for that reason. So it's just a really great thing to have on hand when you need a little bit more oomph in your cleaning. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions.